Welcome back, real estate enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: a guide to investing in real estate for beginners. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a successful real estate investor or looking to explore new investment opportunities, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will break down the essentials of real estate investment and offer valuable insights to help you kickstart your journey towards financial prosperity. So, without further ado, let's get started. Understanding real estate investment. Before diving into the nitty-gritty details of real estate investment, let's begin by understanding what it actually means. Real estate investment involves the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of properties for the purpose of generating profit. It can be a lucrative venture, allowing you to build wealth over time. However, it's important to conduct thorough research and familiarize yourself with the basics before investing your hard-earned money. Investment strategies. Now that you have a basic understanding of real estate investment, let's explore some popular investment strategies used by successful investors. These strategies include fix and flip, buy and hold, and rental properties. Each strategy has its own advantages and considerations based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and available resources. By discovering which strategy aligns best with your objectives, you can maximize your chances for success. Types of properties. Now that we've covered investment strategies, let's move on to the different types of properties available for investment. These can range from residential properties such as single-family homes, apartments, and condos, to commercial properties such as office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses. Each property type offers unique advantages and considerations, so it's vital to understand which aligns best with your investment strategy and target market. Financing options. When it comes to investing in real estate, financing plays a crucial role. Not everyone has the capital to purchase properties outright, but there are various financing options available. These include traditional mortgages, private loans, partnerships, and even creative methods like seller financing. Understanding these options and choosing the most suitable one for your circumstances is essential for a successful real estate investing journey. Risks and benefits of real estate investment. Like any other investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's vital to understand both sides of the coin to make informed decisions. On the risk side, factors such as market fluctuations, property management challenges, and liquidity issues can pose potential challenges. However, the benefits of real estate investing, such as cash flow, tax advantages, and long-term appreciation, often outweigh the risks, making it a lucrative avenue for wealth creation. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our guide to investing in real estate for beginners. We hope this comprehensive overview has provided you with a solid foundation to embark on your real estate investment journey. Whether you choose to pursue fix and flip projects or invest in rental properties, remember to conduct thorough research, stay updated on market trends, and approach each investment decision with careful consideration. Real estate investment can be a fulfilling and profitable venture, and with the right knowledge and determination, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on real estate investment. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Remember, every successful investor started as a beginner, so don't hesitate to take the first step towards achieving your financial aspirations. Until next time, happy investing.